Hello students, in yesterday's lecture I explained you up to mitochondria, structure of mitochondria. Today we will discuss regarding plastids. What are plastids? The structures present in plants are called plastids and they are totally absent in case of animals. Bacteria and plants contain plastids. Plastids are the structures which contain special type of pigments. If they are having green pigment, they are called as chloroplasts. When they are having colored pigments, they are called as chromoplasts. And when they are colorless and contain some stored food in them, then they are called as leucoplasts. So there are three types of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Just like mitochondria, plastids are having double membrane. They are having double outer membrane, outer and inner membrane. And again, just like mitochondria, they are having their circular DNA as well as their own ribosomes. They are having their own ribosomes and circular DNA. So that's why they are also be able to replicate by themselves as well as synthesize their proteins. So they are also known as semi-autonomous bodies like that of mitochondria. With regard to the structure of, now I'll explain you the structure, internal structure of chloroplast. So chloroplasts are the structures which contain a green pigment called as chlorophyll. So chloroplasts are having double membrane. They are having the gel-like matrix in it, which is called as stroma. The jelly-like ground substance present within this structure chloroplast is called as stroma. And there are thylakoids. Thylakoids are the sac-like membrane-bound structures. They are just like coins, membranous coins which are piled one above the other. Then they are called as, single one is called as thylakoid. When they are piled one above the other, they are called as granum. Singular is granum and plural is called as grana. So grana is the site of light reaction. Light reaction means the reaction in which light energy is trapped by the plant and that energy is utilized in the form of ATP. So light reaction takes place in granum and dark reaction takes place in stroma. Stroma में क्या होता है कि it is utilizing that energy which is in the form of ATP to produce glucose food. So dark reaction in stroma and light reaction takes place in grana. Each grana is connected with one another with the help of lamella. So this is a structure of internal structure of chloroplast. So what are the functions of plastids? As I told you that the color or chloroplast जो है green pigment containing जो chloroplast है, they are helpful in the process of photosynthesis. The chromoplast are the colored plastids which impart color to flowers as well as fruits. Whereas leucoplasts are colorless plastids which stores carbohydrate like starch and fats and proteins within the cells. So there are three types of plastids. Next organelle we are going to discuss is vacuole. Vacuole are fluid filled या solid filled membrane bound spaces. कोई भी membrane bound space है जिसके अंदर या तो लिक्विड स्टोर हो सकता है या कोई सॉलिड मटेरियल स्टोर हो सकता है. When it is containing a solid material inside it in the form of food, then it is called as food vacuole. Then it is called as food vacuole. And when it is containing water inside it, sap, so then it is called as water vacuole. And water vacuole is meant for water regulation, maintain osmoregulation, means maintain the body balance. Water balance जो होता है within the body of the cell, it is maintained by this vacuole if it is having liquid inside it. तो vacuole is having a unit membrane और इसकी जो single membrane है that is called as tonoplast. If it contain food, then it is food vacuole, and if it contain watery material, then it is called as water vacuole for osmoregulation. जैसे अमीबा में सिंगल सेल है तो उसमें जब अमीबा के बॉडी के सेल मेम्ब्रेन के पास कोई फूड पार्टिकल आता है देन इट बल्ज इन, और वो फूड वैक्यूल फूड जो है अंदर आके देन मेम्ब्रेन निप ऑफ टूट जाती है एंड फॉर्म द फूड वैक्यूल, और डाइजेशन इसी फूड वैक्यूल के अंदर होती. सो रिगार्डिंग द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वैक्यूल, की जो वैक्यूल्स हैं दे आर लार्ज, even one or only one or two, but very large in size in case of plant cells. And in plant cells, central position is occupied the vacuole. And because of large size of the vacuole, the nucleus as well as other organelles shifted towards the periphery. वो साइड पे शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं और सेंट्रल प्लेस कौन ऑक्यूपाई करता है? वैक्यूल. एंड अबाउट 90% of the space of the plant cell is occupied by the vacuole, and the juicy material, sugary material or the liquid material contained within the vacuole is called as cell sap. जैसे आप केन जूस में जूस निकालते हो, जो जूस निकलता है that is the cell sap of the vacuole. But in case of animal cell, central position is occupied by nucleus, and these vacuoles are very small. कई सेल्स में एब्सेंट होते हैं, बट इफ दे आर हैविंग दे आर न्यूमरस, नंबर में ज्यादा होते हैं, और दे आर स्मॉल इन साइज एज कंपेयर टू प्लांट सेल जिसमें नंबर तो कम होता है बट द साइज इज वेरी बिग एज कंपेयर टू एनिमल सेल. दिस इज रिगार्डिंग द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वैक्यूल. सो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ वैक्यूल? एक मैंने बताया अभी कि when it is containing some liquid sap in it, it helps in maintaining osmotic pressure, means it helps in osmoregulation, means it helps in maintaining water balance. And sometimes in plant cells it stores a number of waste or toxic materials of the plants, and it helps in moving out those materials. And प्लांट सेल में जो वैक्यूल इन द सेंटर है इट इज हैविंग लिक्विड सैप इन इट, सो इट मेंटेन द टर्जिडिटी. ये टर्जिडिटी फुला हुआ इंटैक्ट करके रखता है प्लांट सेल को, तो इट मेंटेन टर्जिडिटी इनसाइड द, it provide turgidity and rigidity to the plant cell. This is regarding the structure and function of vacuole. Last one is the peroxisomes. Peroxisomes, they are very small in size, 0.3 to 1.5 millimeter in diameter, and they are specialized organelles present only in animal cells, and they are cellular rounded structures and contain oxidative means digestive enzymes in them, and they are present in kidney and liver cells. So kidney or liver cells में they are playing a very important role, like they contain catalytic enzymes, so their major role is they detoxify. Sometimes जैसे किसी ने ड्रिंक कर लिया है तो उसके इफेक्ट को ये क्या लिवर सेल में क्या करते हैं, these oxidative enzymes detoxify, उसका जो पॉइजनस इफेक्ट होता है उसको कम करते हैं. जहाँ समटाइम्स कोई पॉइजनस मटीरियल इनटेक हो गया तो इट हेल्प्स इन रिमूवल और डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन ऑफ toxic substances from this cell. So this is regarding the function of peroxisomes. With this chapter is over. Thank you, beta.